Walk up in the spot, they be like, whoa, 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 whoa. Walk up in the spot, they be like, whoa, 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 whoa. Walk up in the spot.
Hey y'all, welcome back to Wilson Brothers Ranch. My name's Chase, and we're glad you're here hanging out with us today. We've got a brand new day for another project. Today we've got a good one lined up. We're working on getting some sinks installed both here in the kitchen and back in the pantry. Here you see me, Dad, and Mike working on setting the last of the cabinets in place. Feels good to see it all finally coming together. Now you see Mike and Dad working with a Kohler template, getting everything measured and marked out. Taking our time here, making sure that sink's gonna sit exactly where we want it, because once you start cutting, there's no second chances. So we're checking everything before we move on. After we had everything marked, I used Dewalt XR 20 volt max jigsaw to cut through the board, just taking it slow and steady, following the marks to get that sink opening cut out just right. Mike's cleaning up the edges with a Dewalt angle grinder to make sure the sink drops in smooth and sits the way it should.
Walk up in the spot, they be like, whoa, walk up in the spot, they be like.
That's a wrap for today. Short and sweet, but we're just getting started. Next up, we'll be working on the countertops and getting the kitchen, pantry, and bar closer to being ready to use. Thanks for sticking with us here at Wilson Brothers Ranch. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. We really appreciate it. Catch y'all in the next episode.